Welcome to Garden Fundamentals. My goal for this channel is to make you a better gardener. And I want you to have fun doing it. There are many online sources for information. They tell you to do all kinds of things. They give you all kinds of rules that you have to follow. Well, I've been gardening for 45 years, and I've learned that many of those things simply don't have to be done. I believe in the KISS principle. That's right. KISS, as in keep it simple, stupid. I've learned that you can grow lots of plants by not following the rules. I have over 45 years of garden experience. I have my own 6-acre botanical garden where I grow almost 3,000 different kinds of plants. I never fertilize anything. I hardly ever water. I never spray for pests because I really don't have pests. I have a background in chemistry and biology, so I understand a lot of what goes on inside a plant. I want to take that knowledge and put it into my videos so that you understand plants as well. Once you understand the plants, learning how to take care of them is so much easier. My goal with this channel is to take that experience and knowledge and turn it into very simple to understand videos. When I'm not in my garden, I like to write about gardening or give talks or teach courses. At the local level, I teach courses in garden design, general gardening principles, pruning trees and shrubs, growing vegetables, all kinds of different topics. I'm going to take that information and those courses and turn them into YouTube videos so that I can share them with a larger audience. I'm going to produce high-quality videos that are chock full of information that you will both enjoy and learn from. If that sounds interesting to you, please press the subscribe button below and you'll be updated every time I produce a new video. Thank you very much for watching.